Hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Ian Sutton. Today is February 2nd, 2026. This video provides an overview of the second edition of the Primer HSE, Health, Safety and Environment in the process and energy industries. This primer is one in a series that covers topics in the process and energy industries. The primers are written for engineers, operators, regulators and managers, those who work in chemical plants, refineries, offshore platforms, pipelines and storage terminals. They are written in clear, direct language. Each primer provides a focused overview of a specific topic in approximately 3,000 to 5,000 words, supplemented by diagrams, real-world examples, and citations to relevant regulations and standards, such as those from OSHA, API, ASME, CCPS, and the EPA RMP. The goal is to help readers to quickly get up to speed on the principles, terminology and operational issues relevant to that subject, without having to sort through lengthy textbooks or fragmented online sources. Each primer concludes with a 10-question quiz that tests the reader's understanding of the topic. Answers to the quiz questions are provided. The series emphasizes practical knowledge and real-world application. Whether onboarding new staff, preparing for an audit, writing a procedure, reviewing a design, these primers serve as reliable, technically sound references. Each one is reviewed internally for accuracy, consistency, and alignment with industry best practices. The primers are available as PDF downloads and Kindle ebooks. There are no hidden fees or subscriptions. Here is the first part of the table of contents. We start with an introduction, overview of the elements of process safety management, and then the elements of HSE, environmental, health, safety, sustainability. Then we move into security, physical security and personnel security. Here is the second part of the table of contents. Continuing with security, we have cybersecurity and industrial control systems, then challenges in integrating security with HSE. Moving on, we have organizational structure, the interdisciplinary nature of HSE, regulations and standards, environmental, health, safety, the business case for HSE, return on investment, insurance cost reductions. The final section of the table of contents, environmental liability, reputational risk and brand value, investor ratings and ESG performance. Moving into challenges and trends, we have digital transformation, sustainability and decarbonisation, human-centric safety, regulatory evolution, resilience to climate risks, and we conclude with additional resources and a conclusion. Each primer concludes with a 10-question quiz. Each question has 4 possible answers. An answer key is provided. Here are the first 5 questions for this primer. What does the ISO 14001 standard focus on? The primary difference between HSE and PSM? Which of the following is not typically included in an occupational health program? What is the one major risk of integrating security management directly into HSE? and which global trend is influencing the evolution of HSE programs. Here is a second set of questions. Which best describes behavior-based safety? Which of the following is a common reason companies invest in HSE programs? In the table of the primer, which HSE element is noted to have the longest time horizon? A company with an experienced modification rate of 0.75 would likely benefit from. And what is the primary advantage of a strong HSE culture within an organization? Other primers in this series include safety and design, distillation, HSE, which is this one, international process safety regulations, and tank car insulation. The primers are a one-time purchase. There are no subscriptions or hidden fees. This list is constantly being updated. To see the latest available primers, please follow the link shown in the video description. In conclusion, thank you for joining us for this brief overview of the Primer HSE. I hope that you have found it informative.